Currently, we have a vast network distributed throughout the entire globe. We have just above 11,000 high-performance GPUs online, who also contribute file sharing in our network. So the scale of the network is completely there for us to take it to the next level. That's why we're so excited to have a release date of end of March for the GAIMIN Cloud to be able to service enterprises and smaller companies with that network. One of my goals, or not goals, or a luxury problem that I hope we have is that we don't have a big enough network. Right now, we are very well positioned to take us to the next level. And then it's about maintaining the supply-demand issue so everyone can band it together.
Yeah, just to clarify that, we categorize the computers that make up our network, and the 11,000 referring to the highest record. Yeah,
I think we sort of answered that in one of the previous questions. We've got 11,000 devices, nodes operating the service. High grade nodes operating are delivering the service for us. As we increase the number of nodes that are available, we can send the files that need to be shared to greater number of devices, and that improves the reliability of the service. It enables us to deliver a more performance optimized service, and the reliability is there. The ad hoc nature of our devices means that people can switch the devices on and off. The more devices that we have, the more nodes that we have, the greater the mitigation of that risk happening where we don't have any devices. And so that improves the reliability. We also need to, one of the things that's a key fundamental feature is the integrity of the file as well.
First of all, reliability, no single point of failure because of the distributed nature of our network. So that reduces any probability of failure because there's an increased number of nodes. So that's one key thing. The other thing with the latency is we're able to ensure that somebody downloads from a node closest to him. So the more we grow, the latency actually, reduces. So it improves just by how we grow. That's how we've actually achieved a slightly superior download time with our own software.
We are working with a fifth-year PhD student at Yale University, specializing in job distribution and mathematics, to help us take that to the absolute next level. To have the job distribution and the file distribution optimized based on where the downloads are happening, because you can kind of predict that based on what time of day it is in this area, so you can shuffle the files around to do that.
And the integrity of the file is always maintained. We retain master copies of the files and are continually checking to ensure that the file that is within the distribution network is the actual file that meant to be distributed. So the integrity is built into the fundamental architecture of the file sharing solution in GAIMIN Cloud.